Blessings everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video will be a Hatha yoga flow dedicated for grounding. Grounding, also known as earthing, is a great way to connect you back to yourself and also the earth. So let's begin on our mat seated. We're going to begin with our first asana, which is our pose, which is called bound angle pose. Bring your soles of your feet together. Your hands are just going to be resting on your ankles, and maybe push your feet a little bit further forward to create some more space. Just allow the shoulders to relax, taking slow deep breaths, inhaling through the nose and slowly exhaling. Close the eyes if that feels nice as well. Really allowing your spine to really lengthen up, grow even taller as you sit down, and relax your sit bones, relax your hips as well. Let's close the legs together. We're going to turn around now and we're going to go into another bound angle, but this time with a heart opener. So make sure you're getting into a comfortable position. Hands are going to come behind you on a diagonal and be on your fingertips. Raise your chest up nice and high and sink your head back just a little bit. Slow, deep breaths. Take your time releasing your shoulders and lifting your chest high. Deep breaths. Just letting everything relax. You're going to slowly tilt your head forward, walk your hands in and close your legs again. Take a moment to shake the legs out. Our next asana is going to be Pidging Pose. So what you're going to do is bring your right knee forward in front of you. Your left leg is going to stretch out nice and high. So for this one, you can come down low, maybe stack the fists on top of each other, resting the forehead. Taking slow deep breaths. Make sure that your hips are nice and neutral. Taking your time. And then we're going to raise it up now. So I'm just going to come up. Palms of my hands are nice and flat. Or you can be on your fingertips. So as you can see, I've come up just a little bit higher and I've allowed a gentle back bend as well. We're going to swap our legs now. So just pushing off back onto our all fours. Left knee's going to come forward now. Lowering down to start with. This time really just relaxing, taking your time. Just allowing that natural release to happen. Not forcing anything. We're going to slowly make our way up now. Really nice, beautiful high release. Either on the fingertips or flat-handed. Lifting the head, raising up the chest slightly. Inhales and exhales. Melting down. We're going to go onto our hands and knees and we're going to go into a child's pose. Make your knees nice and wide. Have a moment to rest here. Really breathing into the back of your heels and slowly shifting up. Let's go into down dog now. So let's just allow the hands to go a little bit further forward. Tuck the toes. This is our inversion. We're going to come up. Inhaling, hips going nice and high, and exhaling as you shoot them up. So as you come up here, your knees can be nice and soft, really allowing the head to sink down. Releasing your shoulders, pedaling the feet if that feels nice as well. Just pushing the heels down to the back of the mat. Inhales and exhales as you're here. Being really gentle with your body. And if it feels nice, maybe close your eyes or just keep them open. Have moments of stillness. Have moments of having soft knees and also straight knees. Rolling down, taking slow, deep breaths now. Just gonna come back into a child's pose, our traditional child's pose now. So where the knees are a little bit closer together. Head is going to sink and your shoulders are going to fold down, hands behind you. Deep breaths. Coming up slowly, hands in our namaste. Taking a moment to connect with yourself, to check in with how you feel. To acknowledge yourself in this moment. Bring your hands towards your third eye chakra. Deep breaths, connecting with your intuition. Down towards your mouth. Down towards your heart center. Deep breaths, many blessings.